Let's make the Amethyst Caipirinha. We are going to make the caipirinha the traditional way, well, as traditional as you can make it. And first thing we're going to do is process our lime. I've got a whole lime here, it is washed. I'm going to cut off the ends. Then I'm going to quarter it vertically. And I'm just going to quarter half of it at this point. I'm going to cut out the center pith. Cutting out the center pith is not necessary, but it removes a little bit of the bitterness by cutting out the pith does, because the bitterness comes from the pith. Now I'm going to cut them in half again, this time horizontally, and I'm going to drop these in my glass. And because it's bothered me, I'm going to go wash my fingers quick. Now that my fingers are clean, I'm going to take 1 ounce of the butterfly pea syrup, and I'm going to put that in the drink. And 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. Oh, I may have to get another bottle. Hold on, I'll be right back. Another bottle. It's not a full bottle, but it's a partial bottle. It counts as a bottle. A bottle is a bottle. 1 ounce, 30 milliliters of your butterfly pea syrup. I think I said that. Now I'm going to muddle that in the glass, and I do have this muddler. It is hand carved by Tools from Human. They don't have a website yet, but when they do, I will link it down below. It is beautiful. It is maple, it is food safe, and it's long enough that I can use it reverse grip instead of trying to do it this way, which is awkward with my shoulder. So I'm going to muddle this, and I'll be right back. Now that this is muddled, you can see it's turning color, which is beautiful. I'm going to add ice to the glass, and then 2 ounces of your cachaça. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. And since I forgot to get a spoon, I'm going to get a spoon. And now that I have a spoon, I'm going to give it some stirs. I'm going to try and pull it up to get it thoroughly mixed. And then that's it. No garnish. The Amethyst Caipirinha. Drink with good spirits.